Jai Shri Ram. Today we are going to see slokas 10 through 14 of the first sarga in the Balakanda. Sloka 10 goes like this. Mahorasko Maheshwaso Gudajatrura Rindamaha Ajanubahu Sushiraha Sullalata Suvikramaha. The sloka means Sri Rama has a broad chest, armed with a great bow with fleshy collarbones, arms stretching all the way to the knees, a noble head and a graceful forehead, great prowess. The Anvaya sequence goes like this. Mahoraskaha, having a broad chest. Maheshwasaha, armed with a great bow. Gudajatru, has fleshy collarbones. Arindamaha, destroyer of foes. Ajanubahu, has arms extending up to his knees. Sushiraha, head with noble qualities. Sullalataha, has a beautiful forehead. Suvikramaha, is endowed with mighty prowess. Sloka number 11. Samasama vibhaktangaha snigdhavarna pratapavan Peenavaksha vishalaksho lakshmivan shubhalakshanaha. This sloka means Sri Rama is mighty and powerful. He has a well-proportioned body, neither tall nor short. Has a shining complexion, well-developed chest, large eyes, lustrous body and good qualities. The Anvaya sequence goes like this. Samaha means neither too tall nor too short. Sama vibhaktangaha, has well-proportioned limbs. Snigdha varnaha, has shining complexion. Pratapavan, is mighty and powerful. Peenavaksha, strong, well-developed chest. Vishalakshaha, has expansive eyes. Lakshmivan, lustrous body. Shubhalakshanaha, has auspicious qualities in him. Up to this sloka, godly aspects of how Sri Rama looks is explained. In subsequent slokas, the features that are reliable for his followers are explained. Sloka number 12. Dharmagya satyasandascha prajanam cha hite rataha yashasvi jnana sampannaha suchirvakshya samadhiman. Sri Rama is pious, firm in his vows. He is ever intent on doing good to his subjects. He is illustrious, wise and pure at heart. He is obedient to his elders or accessible to those who are dependent on him, and ever meditating on protecting the people who take refuge in him. If we go by the Anvaya sequence for this sloka, it goes like this. Dharmagyaha, knower of duties of life. Satyasandaha, firm in his vows. Prajanam, for his subjects. Hite rataha, his intention is to do only good to his subjects. Yashasvi, renowned. Jnana sampannaha, omniscient. Suchihi, pure and devout. Vashyaha, obedient to elders or accessible to those who are dependent on him. Samadhiman, meditating on the means of protecting those who took refuge in him. Next is sloka number 13. Prajapati samashriman data ripu nishudanaha rakshita jivalokasya dharmasya parirakshita. He is auspicious like Brahma. Sri Rama is the sustainer of this world, destroyer of enemies and protector of all living beings and of the moral code. The Anvaya sequence goes like this. Prajapati Samaha, equal to Brahma. Shriman, surpass the entire world in auspiciousness. Data, sustainer of this entire world. Ripu Nishudanaha, destroyer of enemies. Rakshita, protector. Jivalokasya, of all living beings. Dharmasya, of code of morals, Parirakshitaha, protector. This sloka means he is not only protecting the people but also the moral code of conduct for all human beings. He has performed the duties of the king and protected his subjects. He is knowledgeable in the true nature of the Vedas, and he is also accomplished in military science. The Anvaya sequence goes like this: Swasya, duties of his own; Dharmasya, duties; Rakshita, protector; Swajanasya cha, not only his duties, he also ensures the duty of his subjects are also protected. Veda Vedanga, knowledgeable in the true nature of the Vedas and Upavedangas. Dhanur Vedascha, also accomplished in military science. Nishtitaha is accomplished. Sloka 14 goes like this: Rakshita swasya dharmasya swajanasya cha rakshita Veda Vedanga Tatvajno Dhanurvede cha Nishtitaha. Jai Shri Ram.